Welcome to Enthusiast Autohaus and our 1987 Nissan Be-1. This example has a clean title, 105,000 miles, automatic. It's a beautiful pumpkin yellow over an ivory cloth interior. Everything works properly. It's a 987cc carbureted inline 4-cylinder with a whopping 51 horsepower. Overall, outside, I would say is in nice shape. Tires are good, body's nice. Inside, there's a little bit of staining in some of the upholstery, and then there's that tear there. Aftermarket wheel with some kind of cover. There's the center stack. It does have heat and AC. Has a Japanese radio you'll probably want to swap out. Rear seat's in nice shape. Door cards, dash, headliner, all of that looks good. Pretty fast to do a little walk around. Overall, a very fun little car. It will do highway speeds, and it should be good for about 50 miles a gallon. So there you have it, our 1987 Nissan Be-1.